In my last video, I talked about an alternative to learning multiplication without using skip counting or memorizing times tables. But if you are learning skip counting or multiplication tables, here are a few tricks to help make some of them easy to remember. Let's start with the number 2. You are literally skip counting. Start at the number 2 and skip and skip and skip. There you have it, your 2 times tables. Now here's one that will blow your mind. I wish I could say I came up with this, but some other genius did. Start by writing 0 through 9 all the way down. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 0 through 9 all the way back up. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There you have it, your 9 times tables. Finally, number 10, the one I call the magic number. When multiplying by 10, by any number, all you do is add 0. 1, add a 0. 2, add a 0. 3, add a 0. You got it. 4, add a 0. 5, add a 0. 6, add a 0. 7, add a 0. 8, add a 0. 9, add a 0. And 10, add a 0. You got it.